Today's May 20th, 2012. Alyssa's almost 8 months old. She'll be 8 months in 2 days. Can you say mama? 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 Can you say it? Mama? You like that phone? You gonna put the whole thing in your mouth? Say mama. Yeah, you're a little screamer. I know. You scream all the time. Mama, you just said it? Did Mama? Oh, good job, baby girl. Mama? Yeah.
You're so silly.
She is silly, huh?
You're so silly. And that's why I can be like that.
You're funny, Aiden. Aiden's clapping his hands because Alyssa stops crying when he claps his hands. She's not crying right now, though. Look at that hair. Her hair's a mess, huh?
Wow. Well, Mommy, that's when I got my hair. That's happy.
She starts getting happy. That's how you do it. Yeah. Got you on the camera. All right. You guys are so cute. Aiden, you're wearing your favorite color, right? You're wearing green? It's got a skeleton on there, though. It'll work. Alright, that's enough for now. Say, Mama? No.